Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you the method to use the balloon application, and I will be focusing on Form 2 lesson. So let's get started. There are two methods that we can use to access the application. First, you can install the app in your school computer for easy access, or you can open the Google browser and type the URL address. Next, insert your username ID and password. Next, sign in into the account. Then you will see the landing page for Form 2. We will be using towards A2, where you can find 4 different levels that contain lessons and various different activities related to the 4 skills, which is reading, writing, listening and speaking, that you can conduct with your students in class. For example, in level 5A, you can see a set of lessons there, and there are also grammar tools and games, as well as vocabulary tools and games that is very useful for students. So teachers, you can plan your lesson ahead by mapping the activities on balloon application into your lesson plan. So in this video, I will show you a sample of lesson plan on how to map your lesson with the activity. I will be focusing on the topic job and chores, referring to Unit 6 in the Pulse 2 textbook. Now we will look into the lesson plan. As I told you earlier, the topic is job and chores, so in the bracket I have indicated balloon English lesson 1. My main content standard, I'm focusing on reading as well as speaking. So reading 3.1, understand a variety of texts by using a range of appropriate reading strategy to conduct meaning. Speaking 2.3, communicate information, ideas, opinions and feelings intelligibly on familiar topics. So the main learning standard, again reading and speaking. Reading 3.1.1, understand the main point in simple longer text on a range of familiar topics. The other skill is speaking 2.1.1, asks about and explain key information from the simple text. Alright, I'll be focusing on the activity which is the set induction. Teacher writes the word job on the board and asks students to list a set of jobs that they know. Alright, next, the pre and the while activity will be conducted on the balloon application. So if we look into the lesson plan, so activity 1, before we move into the application, so teacher plays a handman game with the student. So the word is magician, so the clue is given a job. So student have to guess the word magician. So we have to remind student that magician is a job. Then next we can move into the balloon application, where we will be focusing on lesson 5. So on lesson 5, on the top you can see the title, That's Magic. So there are 6 activities available in this topic. Let's look into the activities. So when I click into activity 1, there are a short passage on Harry Potter as well as on David Copperfield. Student will read the short passage and answer the questions. Right? The moment student answers, okay, we will immediately know if the answers are right or wrong. If let's say they click on the wrong answers, okay, they can still click on the key down here to view the answers, right? Besides that, student can also do listening for this part. Okay, they can
One of the most popular movies of
listen to the audio. Right, next I will move into activity 2. Activity 2, again a short passage where students have to match each headings. So answer options are given, students just have to choose the answer option. Otherwise, students still have the option to view the answers, right? Next, I will move into activity 3. Activity 3, where again a very short passage where now students have to choose the answer true or false. And again, they can view the key answers as well. But it totally depends on the teacher if they want to control the students by discussing first before viewing the answers. Next, I will move into activity 4. Activity 4, where in this part there are 6 quizzes where students can answer. Right? This is pretty fun for them since they have read about Harry Potter and David Copperfield. So pretty much they could remember things. Next, activity 5, where students have to arrange the arrange the event into correct orders. It's very simple, teachers. They can just drag the answers. Okay, drag and place the answers. So it's pretty useful for them where they can able to understand the sequence of the stories. Next, we can move into activity 5, where it's emphasizing on grammar, where students can just drag the answers into the box. It's pretty fun. Next, the last part, where right after they have done the activity, there is a scoreboard where students can know how much they have scored for that particular activity. So this is where they are trying, they will know their mistakes. Okay. So if we are focusing again on the post lesson, okay, teachers can assign students for a hot seat activity of a David Copperfield where they can ask questions. It's more into question based. So teachers, I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.